In this video, I am going to tell you about NTSC exam form filling process in Kerala state. So, NTSC form is now available for students to fill it online, and the complete process to fill the exam form is online. And you will require some of the necessary documents like this EWS economically weaker section. If you belong to this section, you will need to upload this certificate. If you are not having certificate, you can get this certificate from your district office, collectorate office. Okay, there you can get this type of certificates. And if you are from any special category, like if you are physically disabled and you are also from OBC non-criminal category, and you are from SC/ST category, then also you will have to submit your certificate in the form of PDF in online application form. So the opening of the online application form is from 17th of October, and the date of closing online application is 16th of November up to 5 p.m. So don't wait for the last day, just go and complete the application process, and examination will be held on 30th of December 2020, and it's Sunday on that day. So you are having very less time to prepare for the exam, and now I am going to tell you how you can apply for this process. But just have a look over the notification which is provided by the government. So here you can see here it is given eligibility criteria. So you students should not have less marks than 55% if it is from SC/ST category, and if somebody is from general and other category, so he should not have less than 50% marks in class 9th. Okay, and here one thing is compulsory to pay this much amount of fee, 250 rupees for OBC, OEC and EWS category students, and SC/ST students will pay only 100 rupees for this exam. This cost for this exam, this fees for this exam is regulated by different state government. Few of the state governments are not taking in a single charge, even they are paying for the filling process, but this government is charging because it may be due to many reasons, due to maybe the extra security which will be provided in the exam time. Okay, so they are taking this much charge. Okay, so here is the scholarship amount. You will get 1250 rupees per month in class 11th and 12th, and 2000 per month when you will go in graduation and post graduation. And if you are doing PhD also, then you will get some extra amount of scholarship also. So it's a good exam, it's a good opportunity. This comes for only once when you are in class 10th. So don't lose this opportunity, just grab the opportunity. Okay, so you know about the NTSC exam. If you don't know too much about this exam, I have uploaded so many videos regarding this, and the videos are available in my playlist, and the link of the playlist is given in the description. Just go over the description. A few of my videos are in Hindi, so and few of my videos are in English also, so you may go through the videos and browse the rest of the information. And although everything is written in this particular notification, I will give you the link of this notification also, and you can also download it. You can also get this notification from the original website of your scrtkerala.gov.in. Okay, here now we come to the third point. Here it is written third point, but second point is missing. Online NTSC application form, how to apply online application form. So let me come to this process. You can yourself apply for this from your personal laptop, personal PC. You will not have to go somewhere else, and the process to apply is online. If you are going to register for the first time, then here you will have to click new registration, click here for new application submission. And if you are already registered, then you will have a username and a password. Through that you can log in. If once you have completed the complete registration process, then you will have to wait for 24 hours for re-login. And now let me see what are the instructions given for online application. Okay, so before going to fill the online application form, you should have a particular email ID, valid email ID, and a mobile number because you will get some OTPs for verification. So you will have to write the OTP as a verification code, and you should have the money also, money in the sense to pay. Here you can pay through two way, one by ATM card directly and another by SBI Collect, or something you can pay through Challan also. So better way is to pay by debit card, RuPay card, anything what you are having. You can pay the online through net banking also, but refund will not be provided to you, and you will have to upload the required data like certificate, as I have told you before in the starting of the video. So these are the same thing. You will have to upload your passport size photograph and signature also. So these are the information, and you can read it carefully. After reading this, you will have to click here as I agree, and thereafter you will have to go for new registration. Okay, so when you will come to the new registration process, here you can see you are applying for exam NTSC. Actually Kerala is saying that they will provide you around 2000 scholarship for 2000 students will get benefit of this exam. So it may be the most of the states are doing they are making the basis, this exam is basis for them. On the basis of this they provide the different kind of scholarship, but only 220 students will get scholarship through NTSC, and other students will get scholarship through state government. So this is the criteria, this is the exam which is combined exam for different scholarship schemes. So kind of education, it may be regular or open distance learning. As regular students can appear for only once, and they are having age limit, that students who are less than 18-year-old and they are regular, then only they can apply. If they are working, they are learning from open distance learning, then there is also condition that they may be greater than 18-year-old, but they should be appearing for only once in the class 10th, otherwise they are not eligible. So here you will have to upload your photograph. So here we are not having any photograph, so you can upload this photograph. Here the size is given, it should not be more than 60 KB, and the image dimension is also given, width and height is in the ratio 150 into 200. Okay, so this is given into pixel. Here you will have to write the DD YY, your date of birth. You will have to select gender. Transgender is also an option, because you know the new government rules have provided them 1% special quota if they are applying for this exam, any exam. Name of the candidate, as in the school, you will have to write your name, and make sure while writing the spelling of your name it should be properly correct, and it should be same as the name which you have given for the registration process. So name should not be different, and you will write your Aadhaar card number. Then you will have to select the category, general category, SC/ST category. Okay, so here it's showing only two categories, three categories. So I don't know why. I will have to check it once. It may be that they may ask later on. And here it's exam fee. So you will have to write the exam fees, but it's not giving the option to write the exam fees, because it will be applicable as per your category option. So when you selected general, okay, this option is just to just to show the exam fees. If I am selecting SC category, then it's showing 100 rupees, and so it may changes. And as you select the category, then you will have to pay here. So I think OBC people can also select the same general category also. They cannot select SC/ST or something else like. And after this, you will have to pay the requisite amount, like 250 rupees through your for online payment. Click here and SB online SB collect online payment. So you will have to write down the reference number of that payment, and you will have to write that number here also, and reference date you can mention. You will have to mention the reference date also. So thereafter you can proceed, and you will have to write contact detail, institution detail in which you are studying right now. Actually the information which you are going to fill here is the same as NTSC is asking from all other state students, because the exam is being conducted by the same authority, that is NCERT. So the details which are going to be asked from a student, that will be same everywhere. so it's not a big problem, big deal, but you will have to follow some procedure in random order. Other states have some different criteria, different process to fill this application form, because the stage 1 is going to be conducted by state governments only. So this is all about this exam, and anything else you want to know about this exam, you may ask to me in comment box, and if I can help, I will provide you the solution on my behalf, whatever I can do for you. And if you are having any of the doubt, any of the question, any of the query, and if you need some extra practice paper for this particular exam, and if you are not having any of the idea that how question will be asked and what will the process, then just go through the playlist which I have provided in the description, and you will get all of the videos there, and you can solve all of your problems. So to get more updates about this exam in future, just subscribe my channel, and please click on the like button so that it motivates me, and we make some more informational videos for you. And I hope this will be helpful for you, and just share this video to other friends also, so they can get benefit of this exam. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.